So guys, it's me Geek. So today I'm going to review the NITECORE 45 Lumen USB chargeable flashlight. This is a 45 lumen. The good thing is that you can charge with you can easily charge with a USB, no need to any replaceable battery. Okay, let me take it out. Here we go. Okay, I think I dropped the keychain, isn't it? Okay, here we go. And here's the keychain. Okay, nothing special. So how good is the light? Okay, let me make a little bit darker. So yeah, can we see? Yeah, isn't it now dark? First I want to test the small one. It's not that good. So yeah, the light is quite good, to be honest with you. You see dark? Yeah, I mean the light is good. This NITECORE light is good, to be honest with you. I mean it's quite nice. I mean I can easily use this one or a key ring to put inside, isn't it? This one is good, man. This one is good. This one is dope, man. I like it. Literally, I like it. When I say I like it, then I mean I like it. So yeah, it was me. You make a subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي